Hey, I'm Shafil. Today we are going to be looking at how to actually make money with these websites. So, you've been looking at me making a lot of websites, cloning a lot of websites, and even showing you how to make stuff using Greta. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn these websites and make money out of it. So, today we are going to be taking a lot of small business owners and creating them best websites. So, we will be going through the process of how to actually select the prospects and how to actually approach them and how to actually build the website beforehand so that they agree on spot. Let us look at the entire example. So I'm going to be building this entire workflow using Apollo for finding people, and then Greta to actually build the websites for them, and also using email to actually reach out to them about the websites. So first, let's select what kind of people you want to provide. So I was thinking, other than going to the major leagues, small business owners actually have a gap in the market for actually needing of a website. So either it be a construction people or a bakery owners or even you know salon owners and everything, they'll need websites for their business, but most probably they won't have the time to set it up and they won't know the importance of a website for them. So let's search for people. Okay, so right now we are in the Apollo dashboard here. So if you look at here, I've included owner, president, and CEO and founder on job titles because decision makers are the most likely to like buy your products. So yeah, we have included them, and for location we've included United States, and also for keywords, let's put something. Here's where you actually go ahead and like scrape the actual business. So let's put what is the best B2B business small scale you can actually go ahead for. Let's go for saloon. Let's see what it comes up. It says 238. Okay, so there's Firehouse Saloon, food production. The other one is restaurants. How about we can go for Blue Moon Saloon and guest rooms. Okay, this one seems like a good fit. Blue Moon. Let's see if it actually exists. Oh yeah, they don't have a website. I guess we are switching to this one. Alright, so okay, so let's check if they have a website. Oh sorry, a email. The first thing to check is the email. Let me just put my face around there. My face is in the way. Okay, do they have a website? They don't. So we just get the email. Alright, Moon Presents. Alright, so we got the mail, we got their address, and then what we're gonna do now is, this is the fun part here. So here's the fun part. Here's the fun part. Here's what we're gonna do. We're just simply gonna copy the entire thing. Wait, okay, copy the entire. Simply just copy the entire thing. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna go to Cloud Code and then paste the entire thing, and then ask for make me a website, make it smoother. Oh sorry, and aesthetic, and add no code to the prompt. Oh, it's a make me a website PFD. Okay, smoother and add to the prompt. Okay, then click enter. Now Cloud is going to give you an entire detailed description of how your code should be and how your entire website should be. So what you're going to do is just copy this entire thing and just paste it on your Greta terminal. That's it. Let me show you how that works. Okay, seems like we have the entire copy ready. So now I'm just going to copy the entire thing and then go to Greta and then paste it. That's it. Alright, so since we pasted, I'm gonna get build now. So as you can see here, we have an entire website built for this company which doesn't have a website. Blue Moon Music, a better bourbon. This looks really clean for a website for someone who doesn't have something. So yeah, the stage, the shows, everything. Look, everything is in place. It looks really cool, to be honest. So what we're gonna do is I just deploy the entire website. So the next step is the most important step. So I want you to go ahead. Okay, now is the most important step. So as we have searched for the Blue Moon Saloon and Guest House, right? So I want you to just copy this entire email here and actually go to your email and simply just say I made you a website and I want you to look at it and let's talk sometime. Or like 15 minutes is enough. So you're gonna just send them that. Either they're gonna respond or you're just gonna you'll get your phone number here. And if you use the phone number, you can actually go ahead and call them. And if you don't, if this number they don't pick up, you can actually go to here and actually call them. Wait, where does that? Okay, actually call them and actually make a statement that you have made the entire website and you are willing to send them that, and then they're gonna make a negotiation out of it and actually sell that website. So this is how the entire thing works. So yeah, so it's been a great video, and if you guys wanna know make a lot of series out of it or make a part 1 part 2 videos out of it, please let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching this entire video. Thank you.